We are at the UL Group of companies. Nothing's complex. Over 2 decades in business, UL Group is a leading conglomerate in Indian industry for products and solutions for industrial automation needs like connectivity, interfacing, communication, and total automation products. We are with Mr. Vikas Garg, the CEO of the UL Group, Lalit Sahani, the MD, and Uday Jadhav, the chairman. We welcome you to Automation Expo 2023. My first question to you would be, how many business verticals does the UL Group have and what products do you offer?
So we have four business groups. We have four business groups. With first business group is on distribution. Second business group is we have our manufacturing of automation products. Third is we are a system integrator of Honeywell, and fourth, which is a recent addition to our ever-growing portfolio, is our partnership with Eaton, where we have tied up for the Kraus-Heinz range of products for hazardous area. So these are the four businesses we currently serve.
What makes the UL Group different from your competitors?
It can be simply said three things. One is innovation, another is value addition. Whatever we do, we would like to add some value to it. And third is expertise. So whatever businesses we do, whatever solutions and technologies, what we provide, we have the expertise required in it. I think that is what differentiates UL from other competition.
Just to add something more into this, basically you will never find a single company having all the verticals under one roof. So as there is a new concept going on of having an industrial mall, so you find all these things under one umbrella. So it's such an ease to customer, and as you just rightly mentioned, the tagline, nothing's complex. So this is how we are making everything simple for our customer by bringing everything under one roof. Thank you.
So, I mean, that's wonderful to know about everything under one roof. Let's come to the pricing. So how do you think your products are priced? What's the competitive edge that your customers would have from about the pricing structure of all your products?
So basically, the pricing structure is dependent on the perceived value by the customer. So there is no right or wrong price. It's all about the perception of the customer. So how we position is based on our offerings, and our customers see what value we deliver for the price they pay. So I would say we look into the life cycle cost, right? So we are very well positioned in the market for our services, our offerings, and we feel that we are priced well.
Actually, it was never a price as such when it comes to UL. It has been always a package of price, value addition, and the expertise which comes from UL. And I think customers, they value it.
How easy it is for your customers to integrate your products into their existing systems?
Well, the selection of all our products is such that these are need-based products for the customers. So we ensure that there are some businesses which make the product and then they go to the market. In our case, we are with the customer and then we bring the product. So our product selection comes from the customer rather than we taking a product to the customer. That's why the question of integration doesn't arise, because we understand the pain areas of the customer and then we are selecting the product from our side.
Who are your ideal customers? Who are your ideal customers?
So, the kind of business portfolio we have across our four business verticals. So, all customers are equally important and, very much focused from our side. But if you really segregate, then all the automation OEMs, the companies like Rockwell, Schneider, Siemens, Honeywell, Emerson, Yokogawa, all the leading automation manufacturers across the world, they are our ideal customers, because we can serve them across all our business segments. And in addition, we have a huge focus on our other customers like OEMs, end users, and panel builders, because we have a lot of product range which we can offer across all these customers.
How did automation help your own organization connect with your overall goals?
Exhibition.
In fact, automation, how did automation help your own organization connect with your own organization goals?
So see, automation is a very generalized word. I mean, when we talk about automation, there's always a feeling that things are moving automatically in a plant and all. But for us, automation is a way of life. I mean, having a good ERP system and automating your workflow process is also automation. So definitely, I don't think there's any choice left with anyone in the industry not to go for this value-added automation services. So it's been a great instrumental for even in growth of UL Group, and for both, even in our business and all the products also what you see, we are related to automation industry. So answer is a big yes, it's been a big help for us.
So automation has always been an attitude for us. It's business, but it is also an attitude. So if you see, we always say like digitization, there is no choice between whether we have digitization or not. There is a choice between whether digitization or no other way of doing it. So I think we have a lot of digitization in our company, digital marketing, CRM, the type of ERP what we use. So a lot of automation which happens in our company.
Well, my final question to you, are you launching any new offerings at Automation Expo 2023?
So we have launched a new offering today itself. So we had we were already a distributor of Eaton for their Kraus-Heinz range of products to serve the hazardous area applications, especially chemical, oil and gas. But today we have taken a giant step with Eaton. UL Group is the first channel partner, or under Eaton category for this they call as certified assembly partner, who will be building solutions for hazardous application as per ATEX and IEC EX approval. And all these panels will be made in India, in Pune at UL facility. So we feel this is a big initiative towards Make in India, and this is the biggest launch we could have expected in a exhibition.
So for the UL group of companies, Mr. Vikas Garg, the CEO, Mr. Lalit Sahni, MD, and Mr. Uday Jadhav, Chairman, we wish you all the best at Automation Expo 2023.